welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, where have you been? Make sure you like and subscribe. If you guys enjoy the content you see today, if you guys want to be notified each time I upload, then click that notification bell. You guys will get alerts each time I upload every single week. And if you're returning, then welcome back. I miss y'all. My voice just went 10 times higher. That's because I don't know why, y'all. I'm trying to get comfortable in front of the camera, but my voice always, you know, has different ranges, different kind of volumes. And when I'm excited, it'll go all the way up here. But if I'm like chilling, you know, I'll stay down here. Just a FYI for anyone watching my videos and y'all like, dang, this girl kinda, girl, that's why. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to be basically doing a full glam look. I already have it on, y'all. I always start my videos with the end result, just so y'all know what you're walking into, okay? This is colors I have never played with. So the colors you guys are seeing right now, this is the first time me experiencing with different shades like these. And I'm using a new palette today. I'm using one by Urban Decay. Now this is an old palette. I think this is, let me actually see when this came out. So I believe this came out earlier this year, probably in the beginning of the year. But this is the Urban Decay Wired palette. And here's the box. This caught my eye, y'all, because these are colors I just never played with before. Like these nice blues along with the greens. Like this is perfect for the holidays. Your girl been using browns, reds for the longest. So if you guys are interested on how I do this look and how I actually like this new palette I bought, then stay tuned. You're like, okay. I've already started my base, so I have my concealer and my foundation already on. And I used a beauty blender to blend that all in. I used a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea along with 2 concealers. I like to kind of mix it up. It's probably so bad, but like it really be doing the justice. I'm gonna show you guys the 2 concealers I used, and I kind of like do a few dots of both. I used the Tarte Creaseless Concealer, Tan Deep Neutral. I also use Benefit's Cakeless Concealer, shade 9 or number 9. I'm all done with my base. A nice natural, not natural, but a nice glow, okay? Okay guys, I usually never wear fake eyelashes just because sometimes it just looks like it's too much. Like it's just too much going on in my face whenever I have them on, if that makes sense. It just makes me look like, but I'm gonna be putting on lashes for today's look. Yeah guys, kind of like a snow Jack Frost kind of vibe I'm trying to go for today. As always, I feel like my hair is never looking right for my videos, but my hair is still drying. My hair takes years to dry if I don't blow dry it. But you know, blow drying is just like having your arm up for so long. It's so tiring. So I just kind of let it air dry. But maybe I should just start drying it like that. Your girl needs her hair for the videos, and my hair is just relaxing, acting like it's not on a time schedule. Who can relate? Leave in the comments below. Let's do the eyebrows first. Actually, no. Let's do the eyes. Let's do the eyes. See, look at me, undecisive as always. Let's start. So I'm gonna start out with this one right here. It's called Fluorescence. Oh, this is fun. Hopefully this doesn't give me like a muddy kind of look. I hate cheap eyeshadows that just give you kind of like a muddy look. Let me shut up. Let me just do this. Y'all probably like, girl, just come on, girl. Dang. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this. I don't know if I like this. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if I like this. But I'm already this far, so I gotta keep going. Guys, I'm gonna also be using this white color. It is called Glitch. So I'm gonna be using the color Glitch. Just kind of like towards my corners. Oh my god, this is probably looking so bad. Maybe I should have put on eyeshadow primer. Maybe that would have helped it pop out more. But the colors on my skin tone do not look the same as you see on the box or on the palette. Like, I don't know how I feel. I'm also gonna put the white under the arches of my brows. So far, that's how it's going. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Chaos. Really pretty pigmented blue right where my eye ends, just to make kind of like a smoky eye kind of look. Ooh. I think I like this blue a lot better than the other blue. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Oh, I probably look crazy right now, but I promise it'll all come together, okay? This is just the process. I'm gonna be using Galaxy and Chaos for the outer parts of my eye, but I'm gonna speed it up for y'all because that's boring. I don't know, maybe y'all want to. Let me know in the comments below. Okay, maybe I like it. Maybe I'm starting to like this. I'm really starting, I feel like it's coming together. Finally. I'm also gonna use the color Glitch on the under eye. This idea looked a lot better in my head than it does in person. Oh well, we made it this far. I can't stop now. The show must go on. The show must go on. Okay guys, I'm actually starting to like it. It's definitely coming together than from when I first started this. So I was like, ooh cha, maybe this won't work. But oh no, where's my other lashes go? Are you serious? Oh my god, are you kidding me? I'm just gonna put a little bit more glitch and then I think my eyeshadow will be done. Magnifique. Whatever. I'm gonna add some just on the tip of my nose, just so it looks like I have a little frostbite on my nose. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Let me not do that. Maybe I just need to blend that.
Put some on your nose?
Yeah.
You look like a Smurf.
I do look like a Smurf. And Santa Claus is coming to town. Y'all, December is my favorite month of the year. Other than my birthday month, which is April 4/20, you know. Okay, but no. It literally squirted on my arm. What the heck? Guys, just end it now. Just some lashes I got from Walgreens, girl. I can't even tell you what kind. I don't even have the box. Why is this happening? Okay. Oh my gosh. This is why I don't wear lashes. Oh, it's coming together. Okay. Now on the next lash before it gets incredibly dry. Where my eyelashes are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'll just go up on the hairs just so it can flow with my eyebrows naturally. And then I'll use a concealer to clean it up. So I'm using the Tarte Hydro Clear Concealer. 42N Tan Neutral. You know, your regular arched thick eyebrows. I think my eyelashes have dried. Now I know some people put on mascara before they put on their eyelashes, but I always put it on after. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my contour. So for my contour, I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. Color Saddle. I'm gonna contour my cheeks, my jawline, my nose, and my forehead. Oh guys, for the powder, I'm using the Laura Mercier Translucent in the color Honey. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put my highlighter. It's in the Becca highlighter on the places I wanna highlight. Ooh. Result, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't mind liking and subscribing if you guys enjoyed this content today. Also, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next video.